Hello and welcome to Chapter 5, Lesson 2. Today we're going to be talking about division as equal sharing. One way to divide is to find the number in each group. This can be done by equal sharing, and yesterday we called this partitioning or partition the numbers. So let's get started on some examples. Example 1. Nolan feeds 6 carrots equally to 3 rabbits. How many carrots does each rabbit get? Draw 1 carrot at a time to each rabbit until there are no more rabbits. So I have 6 carrots, so I'm going to start. Probably should be using orange, not red. Let me get an orange out here. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use your imaginations here, guys. I know these are not good carrots. 6. So if I have 6 carrots and I divide them equally among 3 rabbits, each rabbit will get 2 carrots. So if I were going to write a division sentence to represent the problem, I would say 6 carrots equally shared by 3 rabbits gives 2 carrots to each rabbit. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. There are 2 carrots for each rabbit. You can think of division sentences in 2 ways. Here, 6 items into 3 equal groups equals 2 items in each group. Or 6 items into 2 equal groups equals 3 items in each group. So those are 2 ways we can think of it. So for over here, I have 6 carrots. The 2 equal groups would be, there's 2 carrots in each group. How many groups do we have? We have 3, right? So that's kind of 2 ways to think of a division problem. Let's look at example 2. This says you can draw an array to help you divide. So example 2 says 15 scouts equally shared 3 tents. How many scouts are in each tent? Place 1 counter or a scout at a time next to each tent until all the counters are gone. Draw a sketch of your counters. Okay, so I need 15 counters. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Notice my array here. I have 3 on this side. How many on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could say 3 times 5 is 5, 10, 15. So I have 15 scouts, and I have 3 tents. Divided by 3 tents equals 5 scouts in each tent. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. There will be 5 scouts in each tent. I hope they are big tents because that seems like a lot of kids to fit into one tent. Okay, here's our guided practice at the bottom of this page. Use counters to find how many are in each group. So here's the deal. If you're at home, which you are, you could get something to count. I don't know, paper clips, maybe you have Legos, right? That's fine with me. But here we have 10 counters into 2 equal groups. So I'm going to draw a picture because I'm not cool and I don't have counters into 2 equal groups. So I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 5 in each group. 5 in each group. So what about if I took number 2 here, and I have 14 counters into 7 groups? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many are in each group? There's 2 in each group. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 14 divided by 7 is 2. Here I have 20 counters into 5 groups. Okay, 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do 20 counters. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, how many are in each group? 4 are in each group. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. All right, here I'm on the homework on page 255. I'm just going to do a couple of these just to make sure we've got it. Let's do 18 counters into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have how many in each group? 5 plus 1 more is 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, I think we've got a good handle on that. I want to do one more example here on the vocabulary. So it says draw an example or write a definition beneath each vocabulary word. It's on page 256, the back page of your homework. So let's do that. Let's draw an example of array. Let's do like 2 times 3 because that's pre little numbers. So I'm going to have 2 circles on one side, 3 on another, and fill her in. So this would be 2 by 3 equals how many total circles? 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. Draw an example or definition to show divide. Okay. Well, I could say like 10 divided by 2. So if I take 10 counters and I divide it into 2 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 2 groups equals 5 in each group. And show an example of a division sentence. Well, let's just use the one we just did. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching.